Hey, everyone, welcome back to NextGen Investors. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for deep dive updates on investing, crypto, AI tools, and more. Today, we're covering everything you need to know about Ethereum in 2025, from its explosive price movement to major network upgrades, ETF inflows, institutional adoption, and the billion-dollar question, can ETH reach $10,000 or even $30,000? Let's dive in. Ethereum's price momentum. Ethereum has been on an absolute tear recently, with prices crossing $3,400 for the first time in years. This isn't just a random pump. Analysts from Cointelegraph and Investing.com are now predicting that ETH could touch $10,000 by Q1 2026, with some bulls going even further to predict $30,000 in this cycle. So why is Ethereum pumping? ETH is outperforming Bitcoin in both daily and weekly charts. Bitcoin dominance is falling, and Ethereum is leading the altcoin rally. Some analysts are calling this the beginning of altcoin season, where smart contract platforms and DeFi coins lead the way. And don't forget the golden cross technical pattern recently formed, along with something called the power of 3 setup, both strong bullish indicators from the technical side. Institutional inflows and ETFs. Now, here's what's really exciting: institutional money is finally flowing into Ethereum. Spot Ethereum ETFs, like BlackRock's ETHA, are seeing massive inflows. Billions of dollars have entered Ethereum ETFs just weeks after their launch. Fidelity and ARK Invest have also launched their ETH products, giving both retail and institutional investors new access to Ethereum. Analysts estimate that more than 4% of the ETH supply is now held through these ETFs. But that's not all. Companies like SharpLink Gaming and BitMine Immersion Technologies have started adding Ethereum to their corporate treasuries. SharpLink has even surpassed the Ethereum Foundation in total ETH holdings. And BitMine, backed by billionaire Peter Thiel, has pivoted fully to ETH mining operations, sending their stock up by over 30%. This shows a clear trend: institutions are betting big on Ethereum. Network upgrades. Now let's talk about Ethereum's technology. In 2024, the Denkin upgrade introduced proto-dank sharding, making Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism much cheaper and faster. But in 2025, the Pectra upgrade just went live, and it's a game changer. It allows programmable wallets or smart accounts. This means wallets can have custom rules, automatic payments, gasless transactions, and more. The staking limit has increased from 32 ETH to 2048 ETH per validator. This makes Ethereum more scalable and attractive for large players. The upgrade also improves data efficiency with EIP 2935, EIP 2537, and EIP 7549, which helps scale Ethereum further. And yes, ETH is becoming deflationary, thanks to EIP 1559. Every transaction burns a bit of ETH, and with usage rising, the supply is shrinking over time. More use, more burns, less supply, higher price. Strong on-chain activity. Let's go deeper into the fundamentals. ETH staking has hit record highs. Over 34 million ETH is now staked, securing the network and reducing circulating supply. Daily burn rates are rising as more users interact with Ethereum DeFi, NFTs, games, and Layer 2 chains. Gas fees are higher, but that's actually bullish, as it signals demand. Also, Ethereum's L2 ecosystem is booming. Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and other rollups are seeing explosive growth. And thanks to recent upgrades, it's becoming more affordable to operate on Layer 2 than ever before. This activity means Ethereum isn't just a store of value, it's an active, programmable economy. Risks and warnings. Now, before we get too excited, let's talk about the risks. Regulation. The US SEC has been cracking down on crypto, and although ETH ETFs got approval, centralized staking platforms could still be targeted. Overbought technical indicators. RSI is near 80, signaling a possible short-term correction. High gas fees. Despite L2S, Ethereum mainnet remains expensive during peaks. In short, short-term pullbacks are possible, but the long-term trend remains strong. Road to $10,000 and beyond. Now to the million-dollar question: can Ethereum hit $10,000 or even $30,000? Here's why many analysts say yes. Massive ETF inflows from institutions and retirement funds. Deflationary supply from EIP 1559 burns. Scalable infrastructure with Layer 2s and Pectra upgrades. Ethereum is central to DeFi, NFTs, gaming, real-world assets, and AI tokenization. Strong branding and a massive developer ecosystem. Even if the market sees dips, Ethereum has solidified its position as the backbone of Web3. Conclusion. Ethereum 2025 is not just another pump story. It's a combination of institutional trust, technological upgrades, economic scarcity, real-world utility. If these trends continue, Ethereum at $10,000 is very realistic. And $30,000? Not impossible. What do you think? Drop your price prediction in the comments below. And if you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your crypto friends. Thanks for watching NextGen Investors. Until next time, invest smart and stay ahead.